Welcome to Bez Reviews, where we break down the tech you need to know about. Today, we are looking at the Nikon D3400 digital SLR camera, a renewed option that includes an 18 to 55mm VRDX AFP zoom lens. This camera offers a solid entry point into DSLR photography for a compelling price. First, let's talk about the core imaging performance and the design of the Nikon. The 24.2 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor and X4 image processor are strong for an entry-level camera, capturing detailed photos. The included 18 to 55mm VRDX AFP zoom lens is a versatile kit lens, perfect for general photography and benefiting from SnapBridge Bluetooth connectivity is a practical feature, simplifying the process of transferring your photos wirelessly to a smartphone or tablet. Weighing approximately 2.4 pounds with the lens, the D3400 is relatively lightweight and compact for a DSLR, making it easy. Overall, for imaging and design, the Nikon D3400 provides solid performance with a quality sensor. Next up, let's explore the value proposition and what you should consider regarding ownership. The renewed price of $388 offers fantastic value, providing a capable DSLR for significantly less than its original new price. Critical technical specifications, such as video resolution, ISO range, and the number of autofocus points, are not detailed enough. Being a model released in 2018 means the D3400's technology is not the newest, potentially lacking some advanced features found. The 90-day limited warranty is standard for renewed items, but offers minimal coverage compared to a new product warranty, which, when evaluating its value and ownership, the D3400 stands out for its price point as the Nikon D3400, in its renewed form, offers an excellent opportunity to dive into DSLR photography without breaking the bank.